This isn't your ordinary airport check-in queue. These families at Newcastle Airport were checking in for a very special flight of dreams. Over 100 young people from across the region were invited to embark upon an hour-long Thomas Cook flight as part of Cash for Kids' Mission Christmas Appeal. And in the departure lounge, the families were joined by some familiar faces.
The purpose of today is basically we just wanted to come and greet all the children. Some of them are very disadvantaged, some of them are poorly, and we just wanted to come and say hi, get on the flight and of course meet Santa. That's why I'm here.
Children chosen for the VIP flight are from disadvantaged backgrounds and some are very poorly with terminal illnesses. And putting smiles on their faces is exactly what Cash for Kids is all about.
I've done it once before, it's just like a one-off treat. I mean, last year I've done the Polar Express this year, the Flight of Dreams, but this is just absolutely incredible. I mean, to see the children today, how happy they are, it's just unbelievable. Such a great day out.
So after checking in and an abundance of selfies with Belle, Tinkerbell and the Frozen princesses, some nervous but mostly excited families headed to the departure lounge to catch the Flight of Dreams.
Yeah, she's never been on a plane before, so it's all a bit exciting for her.
Then it was all aboard for the families and not forgetting the princesses.
And then make a left turn and head northwards towards Lapland. Let's go!
Everyone was told to keep an eye out for Santa flying past on his sleigh, and after half an hour he landed on the roof of the plane with a bump.
He's landed on top of the aeroplane. Just give us a second, he's coming down to speak to us.
And then the man himself came to meet the ecstatic families. Many of the children on the flight had never been on an aeroplane, and parents said it was the best pre-Christmas present their children could get.
Oh, it's lovely. I don't think Abby knows what to say.
You know, are you just overwhelmed?
Ellie's absolutely loving it, sing along, and we've actually seen the real Santa Claus as well.
Yeah, because we're with hospice, Angel goes there for daycare once a month.
So we didn't land in Lapland, but back in Newcastle, where there were even more surprises.
And this morning, all the children were so excited. I've seen nothing like it. The smiles, the laughter, it's just been absolutely amazing. To be able to see as well what you do for the children, the family, like, unbelievable.
Unfortunately for some of these children, this may be their last Christmas, but the magic was certainly brought alive for them today. Zoe Muldoon, Mate in Tyne, Newcastle.